Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum. This is my lab test. This is for question number 1. Read the instrument figure Q1A and figure Q1B. This is the answer for main scale. This is for answer for question 1. This is my question number 2 about Ohm's law. This is circuit for circuit I do. This result for RS, RY and RZ. This my result. To RS I get 200 ohms, RY I get 500 ohm, and RZ I get 800 ohm. For question E, I measure total current. Total current when V is changed. This result for current when voltage change. This is in milliampere. This is in ampere. And this graph I get for current and voltage, and this are total. And that's all. Thank you.